So you guys, it's raining, and I felt like playing a song that you guys might want to hear in the rain, and I actually chose White Horse, because it's like those sad breakup songs. Does it sound like the rain? I think it does. Kinda. It's depressing. I'm not depressed though. Some loser is. Say you're sorry, that face of an angel comes out just when you need it to. As I pace back and forth all this time, 'cause I honestly believed in you. Holding on and the days drag on. Stupid girl, I should've known that I'm not a princess. This ain't a fairy tale. I'm not the one who'll sweep off her feet and lead her up the stairwell. This ain't Hollywood, this is a small town. I was a dreamer before you and you let me down. Now it's too late for you and your white horse to come around. Baby, I was naive, got lost in your eyes and never really had a chance. My mistake, I didn't know to be in love you had to fight to have the upper hand. I had so many dreams about you and me, happy endings. Now I know that I'm not a princess. This ain't a fairy tale. I'm not the one who'll sweep off her feet and lead her up the stairwell. This ain't Hollywood, this is a small town. I was a dreamer before you went and let me down. Now it's too late for you and your white horse to come around. And there you are on your knees, begging for forgiveness, begging for me, just like I always wanted. But I'm so sorry, 'cause I'm not your princess, and this ain't a fairy tale. I'm gonna find someone someday who might actually treat me well. This is a big world, that was a small town. There in my rear